Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the clock control in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 6 screws to release the upper rear access panel. Depress the retaining tab to disconnect the clock control wire connector. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the old clock control from the support braces. Prepare the new clock control for installation by transferring the overlay from the old control to the new one, or install a new overlay. When installing a new overlay, remember to peel off the protective cover. Position the new control on the support braces and thread the 4 mounting screws. Connect the wire connector. Reinstall the rear access panel by aligning the tabs behind the lip of the control panel. Thread the screws to hold it in place. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.